Jacob Hall here. All right, I'm almost done building my paddle bit setup, right? Go in here, okay? 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Put it in there. It does not fit. If you stand them up to get more in there, you're gonna run into a problem. So there's something else that we can do. We'll pull it back out. We'll move this out of the way. And then we're gonna call in the bunk bin. So much more room for activities. All right, here we go. Big bit again. Drop it in there. Boom. Okay. What am I going to put this in? But wait, there's more. That's right. Stacking bit bins for the Milwaukee thick standard profile PackOut. Put anything you want in here. You can see I got a set of those in here. I've got some T-shank jigsaw, and then of course I can put a whole bunch of the big spade bits, paddle bits, whatever you want to call them in there. Good to go. You can do something like that there, and socket holders. Good to go. Or something like this. There's some stock stuff. Fits in there too. So whatever you want to put in there, you can use the standard profile bins that we have. You can even do 2 of these guys. As long as you're in the front spaces, you can do the little half-size bins. That's right, they all nest inside there. So all you got to do is get yourself a bunk bin. It's an Electron Smith design, so you can get this from him if you want to print it yourself, or you can head on over to store.jacobhall.com and get you one. Thanks for watching. Pack out.